Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making kinky coils from darling hair extension. So we'll be using darling hair extension. We'll be using our spiral rods to achieve the coils. So this is one of the extension. Okay, just first cut it into two. Then after cutting it into two, go ahead and cut it again, making it into four. Cut it into four. So after preparing it, you'll get something like this. Look at the length, not too long. So I went ahead to apply extra virgin coconut oil on the extension to make it shiny. So section out a part like this. Look at how it is. Make sure it is very smooth to avoid tangling. After that, take your spiral rod and start rolling. But first, ensure you tie it on the head very well before you start rolling. Make sure you tie it about 2 to 3 times before you start rolling, so that it will be strong. Just look at the way I'm rolling it. Follow the line. But even if you're not using this spiral rod, if you're using another thing, you can still achieve it. So after rolling it, secure it with this. It came alongside with the spiral rod. So repeat the same rolling process with the rest. So the next step is to put them into a hot water. After putting them into a hot water, leave them for some seconds. So it is time for us to bring them out and see how it looks like. Start unraveling from the tip. Please make sure you're careful. If you're not careful, you might scatter the coils. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it is well defined. Just look at. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And please do subscribe to my channel. It's not going to cost you anything. All you need to do is to click on the red subscribe button, and after you have successfully done that, you're going to see an icon that looks like a bird beside it. Click on it so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. God bless you. So I was setting it out with a hanger like this. When I unravel, I set it out in a hanger. Guys, repeat the same unraveling process with the rest, and you're going to get the same result. Repeat the same thing with the rest, you will get the same result. Okay, it is really turning out great. It came out very nice. So I went ahead to do the rest off camera, and after doing it, this is the result I got. It is so amazing. Look at how beautiful it is. It is really looking like the real kinky. In fact, it even looks more beautiful than the real kinky. You can use this to crochet your hair or any other thing you feel like using it for. So this is the final look, guys. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.